Parang kayo yung kakarating ah. Hi! Parang kakarating yun. Hey, welcome! Welcome! Sorry.
Nasa Queenstown na kami. At meron tayo ditong local tour guide.
Kahit saan mo lugar, ipagdarasal, makita ka lang. O nasan ka ba, mahal? Hinahanap ka na ng puso ko. Baby, ikaw lang talaga ang namimiss ko sa tuwid-tuwid na. Sa tuwid-tuwid na.
My voice. My voice?
Dadalhin ka sa nakaraan. Sa nakaraan. Magkita na tayo, please. Palagi kang namimiss.
Ito yung
Baby, ikaw lang talaga ang namimiss ko sa tuwid-tuwid na.
Hi, Anya. Hi, future baby of Kate. Hanggang ano na tayo.
Hi, pamangkin! Hi! Hi, future baby ni Kate tsaka ni Les.
Kasama namin mami and daddy.
Excited na sila. Ayun yung mama mo, oh. Kala ka pa lang niya, pangarap. Pangarap pa lang. Oh, it's not.
Minutes na lang.
Kakababa lang namin ng boat. Nakain na daw kami ng barbecue.
Pwede yata ang mag-farm tour.
Oo, pwede. Pero syempre, doon tayo sa ano.
Wala pa sila.
Ay, wala pa sila Kate. Oh, doon kami pupunta.
Wow.
Ganda. Imagine, nasa gitna lang to ng lake. Parang out of nowhere. That thing's right there.
Dito ang ganda.
Should we take a picture out here?
Yeah. Picture tayo. Amuyin mo nga.
Amoyin mo nga wala.
$112.
Okay.
$112.
What's wrong? Right? Wait. Kahit sa'yo.
Mamaya.
Hi.
You speak English?
Yes.
Okay. Welcome to Walter Peak. My name is Toby. Just a couple of things to let you know. Just inside, there is our toilets over on the wall there. There's a drinks menu here. The drinks are separate, so to pay for them, the extra. They're not included in the buffet. The buffet should open about 5-10 minutes. My manager will let you know when it's your table's turn to go get food. When they do that, you're free to go back and forwards as much as you like.
Alright.
A farm tour operator will come let you know around the end of lunch, 15 minutes before the farm shows happen. And that's about it, so feel free to enjoy the sun, enjoy the views, feel free to read the menu, and I'll be back in a little bit to take any drink orders.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Nakaganda pa nakatingin.
Food cuts po. One of each, yeah. Or pwedeng two of each. Ay, one lang yan. Next one. You should. You missed the one on the middle. This one. Yeah, thank you. Okay na, okay na. Salamat. Dalawa.
Just one. You can come as many times as you want.
Thank you. Wow. Or tatlo yun. Yay. Siguro isa lang ako. Is para sa akin. Yung ano. Sige, okay na. Okay na. Sige. Uy, si Anya.
Parang yun din sa sa Australia.
Kumakain na kami. Tapos gusto ko lang marinig nitong
Parang nag-review daw
pork.
Yung pangalan yung nag-serve daw, ilagay sa Google.
Sarap. One more.
Kasi daw kung sino daw yung pinakamadami mananalo ng dessert.
Sorry ma. Dessert mode na? Dessert mode na. Dessert mode na.
Dessert time na!
Sorry, pause ang person.
guys, we're going to try this one.
Yung sabi niya, we're going to try this one. Ayan na guys.
This is boys and girls.
Oh, is it? Yun ba yun? Boys and girls? Oh, that face of something that looks
Sour taste.
tasty. Not bad.
Vanilla ice cream.
Lalagyan na lang kita ng subtitles.
Voice over.
Oh. Kahit ano, kunwari pipi. No, kaya.
Mga bago ngayon ko yung
AI.
This one. I don't know.
Chocolate crumble mousse.
Akala ko tiramisu. I don't know what this is.
Tiramisu daw.
Nakalagay doon.
Really?
Hindi ko coffee yun na.
I think this is tiramisu.
Tapos sabay, ang
Tastes like
nakalagay
tiramisu.
dito mousse.
This
Baka
tastes like
nabaliktad
tiramisu.
nila.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Kasi magkalayo yan eh. Opposite side yun eh.
Ito, tiramisu.
Kasi kinuha ko na sabi sa kay mousse. Kaya kinuha ko to. Tapos sabay, nakita ko tiramisu.
That is tiramisu.
So kinuha ko to kasi tiramisu.
may subtitle to.
Like kinuha ko siya hindi based sa itsura.
Hatty Whispers. Rose brownie.
Actually good.
Really good. Akala ko yung whisper mo lang yun. That is. Oh, sarap din yung vanilla ice cream.
Yan ang kamay ko.
Parang hindi ka wawaw yung pagkasabi ko eh. Wow!
Kakatapos lang namin kumain. Gutom pa si Les. Nagugutom pa siya.
My country is
Nabitin. Sa what? What? What did you say?
gifts.
Gifts. Alright, oh. Inaantay.
Tayo, nandito naman na tayo.
Okay. Picture daw.
Tao pala.
Buray na lang. Okay.
Kanina na.
Ang pupuntahan namin ngayon yung farm.
Show.
I don't know if it's a show.
It is a farm show.
Probably just a farm that shows animals.
No,
So,
sa ano siya? Sa tent.
oh, what? They're like doing tricks and whatnot?
Don't know.
Oh, you don't know. Sige, let's see. Place your bets. Will they do tricks or not?
Di ba kapag basa lang yung
See you in a while. So, kumuha kami ng payong. Kasi ang init. Ayun, no? Bilad na bilad yun eh. Tapos, pagkakuha namin, yung dalawa sa harap namin puti, tinawanan kami. Oo, akala nila nakakatawan ng mainit. Yung dalawang nakaputi. Tinawanan kami. Kasi, bakit kami nagpapayong sa ganitong araw? Usually kasi,
pag umuwi.
FYI, sa mga Western countries, European countries, or anything Western related, gusto nila nabibilad sila sa araw. Kasi gusto nila maging tan or medyo mag-brown-brown yung balat nila. Akala lang, Pilipino tayo, ayaw natin ng gano'n. Isa pa, akala lang nila nagba-brown sila. Pero ang nangyayari, naging pula sila. Nagkaka-sunburn. Feeling lang nila yun. Anyway, heading into the zoo, still can't find it. Pero right now, we're looking at yung gift shop.
Sa amphitheater yata yun dun sa farm show.
Okay. Sige. We'll check out the gift shop and then we'll go to the farm. Ayun na sila. Sila. Silip tayo dito. Ayan. Ayan. Ito, going to the farm show. Place your bets. Anong animal?
Sheep.
Oh yeah, well, you're right. Sheep. A cow. A dog.
Lama.
Llama. May llama ba dito?
Hindi ko alam. Meron doon sa toys eh.
Ah, sa toys meron. So, bet ni Kate may llama daw.
Baka may alpha.
May what?
Alpha.
Alpaca. Let's see. Ito na. Akala ko talaga parang petting zoo lang. Somewhere there. Ito na. Nakakita na tayo ng hayop.
My name is Joe. This is Spring.
So, tapos na yung yung farm show. Nagdebate pa kami kung anong mga hayop ipapakita. Llama, cow, alpaca. Ang mapapanoorin lang pala namin dun, magkalbo ng tupa. Yun yung show. Magkakalbo ng tupa. Paalis na kami. Ito na ulit. Pasakay na ng boat. Heading back to Queenstown. Proper. See you ulit. just left the hotel.
Ah.
Because it's kind of late. It's bright right now. Pero 7 o'clock na ng gabi. We're just going to look for something like a quick fix meal. Something just we could probably buy at the side of the road. Or kung hindi, we could probably eat somewhere na hindi naman magulo. And then probably look for medicine kasi Patty's not feeling so well. If you notice kanina, wala na siyang boses. So ngayon medyo lumalala na. We're gonna look for cough and cold meds, have a good meal, and then we'll be back with you. Checking this place kung merong Let's check this itong night and day na to. There must be something here. Ito, chemist warehouse. Saan na ba yun? Oh, here you are. Yes.
Then give it to them.
Oh, here's more Kodral. Ilang milligrams? Oh, this is more. Oh, it's a...
Sarap daw yung pastries.
I would rather have hot soup. You don't want hot soup. Oh, you want hot soup. Come on, let's go. Let's not waste time. Huh? Let's go back. So, our spoils. Anyway, first day. Pa rin.
Ah.
4 minutes down. I would say a decent start, warm up for the incoming days. Incoming. What's incoming? What do you do now? Incoming, shot over, skydiving thing, high fly, yeah. What else? Nothing yet. Okay, so those two are the biggest things that we're about to do. So watch out for that. Tapos na kami kumain. Kung mapansin niyo ako baga. Kasi ang init na dahil gawa ng beer. And also, we finished the food. We had this and that. Iubos namin siya. Very good ang pan. Kahit may mas mapakirap na nagawa kami kayo ng food niya. Good job. And uwi na kami. Mag-while. Any other plans that you want to do for tonight? Rest? See you sa rest na kami. Thank you. We didn't bother with too much meat, fish and chips. We went for something that's easy on the tummy. And I think that was worth it. So, after a few sentimental moments sitting on benches and several benches, we're back. Here we are. This is where we're staying at, Bridges. Ridegus Hotel. Ah, yun. Ridegus Hotel. Oh. Well, you can't see it, but Ernst lost back, and that's the ship. I don't know if you can tell, but there it is. It's the one that's tooting its horn.